Hi and welcome to Sitecore PowerShell Extensions. Today we're going to have a look at setting up SPE remoting. First thing we're going to do is we're going to download SPE remoting module. Comes as a zip package that you can find out on the marketplace or within the source control on GitHub. Extract the package. This SPE folder has all the scripts that you need to run and communicate from the Windows environment to Sitecore. Then we're going to go into our Documents directory for the current logged in user, create a folder called Windows PowerShell, create a new folder called Modules, and then drag the SPE folder into there. So we want to make sure is that within the Modules directory there's a folder called SPE and then all your scripts are in there. Then when we open up Windows PowerShell, you can run the import module command. And the name of that folder is SPE, so then we're going to run SPE. Okay, that was uneventful. Next thing you can do is get command and specify the module name. Here we see all the functions that are made available through this Windows PowerShell module. Now I'm going to show you really quickly how to interact with the Sitecore environment remotely. First thing I recommend is you create a new variable called session. And then as you can see down below we have a script session command where you provide the username, the password, and the URL to your Sitecore instance. The URL can be one-to-many URLs. It can be say a collection, comma delimited, or an array, however you want to set that up within the PowerShell. And so I'll go ahead and create just one. And that's it to create a new session. So what this is going to do is it's going to interact with Sitecore. It's going to create a new proxy object that contains references to the web service. And then every other command that I run will use this session object. So we're going to call invoke remote script. I'm going to provide the session object and a script block. So this script block can be something really simple as get user ID admin. And when you execute that, it's going to connect to Sitecore. And as you can see, we get our output here. You can even avoid the alias for you. You can even see what the contents of that is. So as you can see here, it's a deserialized version of a Sitecore user. So this is a Sitecore object that had been serialized, and just a standard PowerShell way of doing things, it came back as a serialized object. Okay, so if you need more details about that, check out the Git book. Under remoting, you'll see some examples of interacting from one instance of Sitecore to another. Just as I have the Windows PowerShell module that I've just shown you, we have a script within Sitecore, within a script library, that has the same code in it. And so you would just import that function, and it contains all of those functions that we just saw a moment ago. And then you can interact with the remote Sitecore. Then the example I just provided with connecting Windows PowerShell to Sitecore, where you import the module and create the new session and execute from there, and then some other details and a couple blog posts that talk more about it. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on Twitter or post a comment below. Thanks and have a great day.